Hi there, Claire here. I just want to show you how the ENJOkitchen fibres work. They're designed for grease. So I'm going to show you here with some butter on my work surface and how the kitchen glove is going to pick that up and hold on to it. So we just use cold water with the fibres because the cold water keeps the fibres all closed up when you're cleaning, so it won't transfer from one surface to the next. You can see the butter's still in the glove there. And I'll just pop it onto my hob here. And the butter stays in the glove because the fibres stay closed when you're cleaning with cold water. And again on the glass there, it's still in the glove. And it would be the same obviously with dirt and whatever else you're cleaning up in your kitchen. Just dry off with the Enjo foil there. A dry surface is less likely to attract dirt and bacteria. And the same on the glass here. You'll see there's no grease left behind. There you go. And no grease left on the hob either. So I just want to show you as well, when we've got the grease in the fibre, how the hot water gets rid of the grease when you're finished cleaning. So the fibres stay closed with cold water when you're cleaning, and then they open up to release any dirt and bacteria in the glove when you're finished with hot water. So they stay closed when you're cleaning with cold and release the dirt when in hot water.